It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so this is my hair freshly washed and conditioned. I took out my old weave and then I washed it, conditioned it, and I put in some leave-in conditioner and some oil. And now I'm going to begin the parting process for my hair. So I'm just going to use this rat tooth comb and some rubber bands that I'm going to let soak in oil for a bit. So this is my hair now parted. I did 4 sections on each side of the front, so like on the sides, so that's a total of 8 sections in the front. And then I believe I have 4 in the back. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, so 4 rows in the back and then 4 on each side in the front. And now I'm going to begin parting for my braids. Alright, so I'm back. So I just went ahead and did the majority of my hair. I was just going to do the back, but I was like, I'm almost done, so let me just do some of the front too. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the 2 in the front, and in the back would just be the same way. So I take gel first, then I unravel the twist that I did, and I'm just going to smooth down my hair a bit. And then after I smooth down my hair, I'm going to use the edge control. Since it's the front, I want it to be like slicked up and tight, you know, to like keep it like fresh and everything. So I use edge control in the front ones, and then I only really use the gel in the middle. I don't really use the edge control. You can if you want it, if you want to, but I really don't. So I'm just unraveling the twist, and then I'm going to apply the gel to it to make it slick down so no like stray hairs are all over the place or trying to come out of the twist and whatnot. And then I'm going to apply the edge control to the top and then to the ends, and I'm going to begin twisting and keep using edge control along the way. Now once I smooth out the hair, I pull it a bit, like take both ends and pull it to the opposite ends to make sure the rubber band is in there tight. And if it's not, I can just go in and take it out and put it back in. So now I'm only using 2 strands of the passion twist hair. I got this hair from Amazon. I love it. It's like my favorite. I was going to just cut it in half, but because it's like ombre at the bottom, I didn't want the root of my hair to start off blonde. So I just went ahead and started from the top, and I just cut it to the length I wanted it to be. So here I'm just fraying the ends, I guess. I don't know, I'm like separating the hair strands to make it a bit more fluffy so it can come out thick instead of like how you would have it for a crochet weave or something. So I'm just stretching out, and then I'm going to place the hair over the rubber band, not under it. You're going to put it over it so it can be secure. Alright? Then I'm just going to use my hair as like the third piece of a braid, and I'm just gonna braid my hair down until I feel it's pretty secure, and then I can start twisting it. So when you're twisting it, there are 2 directions you can go. You just have to get a feel for it. I didn't really mess up because I've done it a few times, so I kind of know which direction. But if it doesn't work in one direction that you're twisting it, like if it comes out like pretty loose and it just looks like weird, then just twist in the opposite direction, like unravel it and twist in the opposite direction, and it will be perfect, like a normal twist should be. Okay, so I'm just adding edge control along the way as I'm twisting, and I twisted farther down than I needed to just so it would be secure when I actually cut the twist. And because my hair was at the top, it made it thicker, and then the normal braiding hair towards the bottom, it gets thinner because it's braiding hair, so you can just pull it a bit and like separate it, and it'll have the same thick appearance as if your hair was braided into it. So you just cut it, and I twist around the ends to make it secure, and it's perfect. So I'm just going to show you how to do the next one, and we are all done.